Me some weird questions.
Ask you some weird questions?
Yeah.
Do you remember anything?
Oh yeah. Grinding away. I'm like, oh.
Yeah.
It felt like 10 minutes.
Only 10 minutes. It was 30. Is your tongue off? Tongue feel like a big cotton ball? Yeah. You're all dry. That's the anesthesia, makes your mouth dry.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Don't open too big. You gotta have those gauzes. Pressing down on those gauzes a little bit to keep the blood from
I think the last one, they're like, I'm like, ow, oh, that sounds weird. Oh. Oh.
You don't look too bad. I mean, it looks like you have cotton in your mouth, but you don't look very swollen yet. Sorry, drop it. I didn't think to bring a water bottle, but I don't think you want to drink anything right now. You have